Now that we just downloaded our video, here it is, how to solder wires like a professional. Let's go to our Facebook page and upload that video. Now what you need to do is go to business.facebook.com Creator Studio and click on upload video. You can choose single video, multiple videos, or post video across pages. Since I have multiple pages, I will choose this option. Now upload and post across pages. You can now cross-post a video to multiple pages as you upload it. Choose a primary page to upload your video. Choose the other pages you want your video to post to. Create, edit, and schedule all of your videos or video posts at once. Now, the primary page is Electrical Engineering World. I need to cross-post it to these pages: Microcontroller World, Educational Engineering, New Tech Geeks, Future Engineering, and my personal page. Let me check. Okay, that's it. I need to upload it to these 7 pages. Now it asks us to show the video that we want to upload. Here it is. Let me check it out. Where is the download? Okay, here it is. This is the video that we want to upload. How to solder wires like a professional. Now, as you can see, this window open up so that we can choose when we want to publish the post. I want to publish it now, so I will choose now. You can schedule it or premiere it on any of these pages. Now, what you need to do, if you want to change the title, you can change it here. And let's copy the same title. It's attractive. As you can see, you can even change the thumbnail. As you can see, this is the best thumbnail. Now, you can add tags. Let's add how to. Let's add solder, electronics. As you can see, now write soldering, solder wire, professional soldering. Let's solder. You can write any tag that comes in mind and write how to, then click done. All the tags are copied here, as you can see in this menu. And now what you need to do is just click finish. As you can see here, it is about 22% and it's going up. This is the uploading rate of our video. Depending on your internet speed, this will change. Now what you need to do is simply click finish. And as you can see, your posts are being created. Once the upload is done, it will create all of your posts and your video will be published to all of your pages. Now, any of these pages, if any of these pages is eligible for monetization, the video will get ad breaks automatically, and that's how you start monetizing your videos using Facebook. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A bowl. Happy learning. This is Moneymakers Academy.